going to do kind of a different video. It's kind of an unboxing for me. Go ahead, jump. You're going to hear Kellel jumping in his bouncer in the background. And I want to give a shout out to Daddy, or Stranded in PR, for all my gifts. I'm so happy, and I get to do my baking, and haven't been able to bake in so long because all I have is this little tiny toaster oven. But first, we got this Brita filter. I'm not going to open everything. I'm going to show you what I got first. We got this Brita filter. It's a 5-cup capacity. Because we have hard water, we can't make baby bottles or drink the water out of the faucet. So this is going to save us, and pour the water in and have it in the fridge, and it takes all the yucky stuff out of the water. Handheld mixer, hand mixer, a few other little things that I got. I got my measuring cups. Got this great mixing bowl, measuring cup. But this right here is what I've been wanting. It's from Farberware, and it's a 6-slice toaster oven. But I'm not going to use the toaster oven part because I got a little tiny. But I want it with confection cooking, some muffin mix, and some baking cups, and some muffin pans. So that is going to be the first thing that I make in my oven. Alright. Turn it up. Thank you so much, Daddy. Oh, I get to bake now. I'm so happy. Oh, yes. Thank you so much. Thank you, Cal, for being quiet. You're a good boy. Quiet on the set. Right, Cal? It says, attention, accessories are placed under bottom foam. Okay, here we are. Can you see? Got one styrofoam. I don't know where to grab this. Grab it out. Okay. Confection oven is in a bag. That was the cord, and that's oh, yes, you get the rotisserie tool. Yes. This would be our crumb tray, or drip pan, or something. Let's see what this is. Accessories are a crumb tray, baking drip tray, which is this. Your baking rack for broiling. Your spit holder and your spit. Okay, this is supposed to be your drip pan. Okay. Then you got your metal racks. Go in. For the rotisserie. Can't wait to use that bad boy. Okay. That's nice. Let's see. Let's close up the box. Let's place it up there so you can see. There we go. Move it in a little bit more. Oh, it's got a pretty decent size cord. Let's take this off so we can see. Got a little tie on it, like a bread tie. But it's got a pretty decent sized cord. This is your temperature. Ooh. Goes from your minimum temperature, then it says min, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450. So it goes up to 450. And the broils, toast, confections, rotisserie, bake, take it off. And if you want your timer, and this will be if you want to toast it, you make it light, medium, or dark. Hold on, Cal, 1 minute, okay? And then your timer, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Or if you know you're going to be in there longer, it's got a stay on option where you turn this knob all the way to stay on. But if you want to get something like this, that you don't have a regular size oven, or you don't have you have a small apartment or something, this would be a great little oven. And it's $39.92 at Walmart. And it's the Farberware. Let me show you the box again. It's the Farberware flexible cooking options, designed for easy use and versatility. And it's a 6-slice toaster oven with convection cooking. So the first time I'm using my Farberware 6-slice toaster oven with convection cooking. When you first plug it in, you're to put it on its highest setting, which is 450 degrees on broil for 15 minutes to burn off any residue from like packing and putting it together. Then you have to let the oven cool completely before you use it. So this is what I'm doing right now, is got it set up, just turned it on, and it's already very hot. Now that the 15 minutes are up, this made a dinging sound, so this automatically turns off. I put this to off and bid this back to the medium or minimum heat. Unplugged it. I'm going to close the door. And now it's got to cool all the way down before I can use it for the first time.